Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before and you are one of my few subscribers, thank you so much for watching the video. If you've not been here before in my channel, hi, welcome, and if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. So today I have a review slash unboxing of another ring set, a bridal set from the company called, I think they're called Zeno, or is it Zeno? I would say it's Zeno, you know, Zeno Jewels. So they contacted me through my email and asked if they could send me a ring to review, and why not? I said yes, because I know this would be helpful. Why not? This was shipped to me from China. Okay, I received the rings on November 12th, and right now it is November 26th, so that's 1, 2, so it is 2 weeks. As soon as I received the rings, I wore them right away. I can't do a true unboxing since I already wore it. In the box was this bubble wrapped and this bag. There are 2 cards in this box. One card tells you about the warranty and then 30-day easy hassle-free return policy. Items without jewelry bag or that have been worn, damaged, or altered are not refundable. Will be returned to the customer at their expense. So if you return it and you've used it already, so it will be returned to you and you have to pay shipping. This is something that is very different from all the other reviews that I did in this channel. This one actually comes with a card, a certificate of like a quality control, a test report, and it tells you when it passed the test, like quality control, what type of metal and the results and requirements and all that stuff. I think that's pretty good. If it was indeed done, I really appreciate that part of it. Like, you can see that it did pass QC. Let me just open it so you'll see. It is very pretty. I like the tone of the pink that they used. Although one thing that I did not like is that this here, am I doing it right? All right, this one here had been stamped, like they used some kind of stamp with ink. When they tied the bow here, it was still wet, so this is what happened. I did not do this. I'm not I'm not like that. Pretty much kind of damaged. That didn't pass quality control. I'll say maybe wait for it to dry before you tie it. I don't know what they can do so that the ink won't bleed into the ribbon. It's a shame because it's such a pretty packaging. Do you see that? It's so pretty. It's velvet. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's so pretty. Like, you can see that it doesn't look very expensive, that it's velvet, you know. Yeah. And then you can see the seams. I don't know how you feel about that. To me, it doesn't matter. This is the set in the box. I did not choose the rings. Pretty much we were in contact and they told me we're going to send you the products that we want you to test. And I have been wearing this for 2 weeks, right? I gave my Julia, my other rings that I was reviewing still, I gave that a break for 2 weeks now, because I don't want to wear 2 big rings at a time. I don't want to look too rich. Alright, so I did not clean this just for the filming, so it is what it is, you know. Oh, come on. Let me just put lotion in my hands because it's kind of dry. It's embarrassing. Alright, let's do this again. The eternity ring, the wedding band, but it's not continued all the way around. I wish they do, because it's kind of annoying sometimes to keep adjusting. I like it. It's a little thicker than the other rings that I have reviewed. That's how it looks. It's not that big actually. I thought it would be too big, but it's not that big. It's doable for me. I guess I got used to my other 2-carat one. 2-carat. I feel so rich. Alright, so yeah. It is so pretty and it is well made. Like, I don't see any loose things. It sits low like that, so it's not too high. I really like that part, that it's not so high. Like, it doesn't bother me. I'm not a fan of very high profile rings for some reason. So I like that height actually, if you can see, right? And yeah, so if you're wondering how to wear a teardrop ring, you're supposed to wear it like that, like the pointed part going this way, like your nails. This is, if people are seeing it and you wear it like this, that's raindrop. This is teardrop. All right. So I put this to the test for 2 weeks. I think it's pretty good. This stone, I thought, because maybe of the size, or maybe that it's a little low in profile, that light was not getting under it, that it looks kind of cloudy. It's not very sparkly. But the more I wore it, and I guess the use of hot water makes it, for some reason, it made it even shinier and glassy and just prettier. And when this ring is against the light, guys, the camera does not even do it justice. When you do this and it's against the light, all the rainbows and all the reflex, and it's beautiful. I tried to capture it. I put it against sunlight and did this, but just would not do it. I mean, the camera does not capture how beautiful this is against the light. That's one of the things that I really like about this ring. And yeah, it's actually very doable. That the size, it's not too bad. All right, it passes my standard. Like, it's beautiful. It's not too gaudy to where I don't want to wear it. I'd give it a 4 out of 5. And as far as the packaging, also 4 out of 5, just because of the bleeding of the ink of the stamping here. So yeah, I can't see why you can't wear it for your wedding, or even just have it as a temporary ring before, like if you're saving for a ring that you're gonna have in the future, an expensive one. But while you're saving for it, this is a beautiful ring. Thank you, Zeno Jewels, for sending me this ring to review. I enjoy wearing it. Yeah, thank you for choosing me to be one of the first ones to actually review your rings on YouTube. So I'm very grateful, and I hope and I look forward to another collaboration with you. Whatever products that you would like me to review, feel free to contact me. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.